Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Apple enthusiast with an Apple Card, you know how awesome it is for everyday purchases, rewards, and seamless integration with your iPhone. But did you know you can easily share it with your family? Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to set this up, so you can manage finances together while keeping everything secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure family sharing is enabled on your device. This is crucial because Apple Card sharing relies on it. Head to your Settings app, tap on your name at the top, and select Family Sharing. If it's not set up, follow the prompts to create a family group. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Once that's sorted, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Find your Apple Card in the list. It should be right there. Tap on it to open the details. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner or an option that says More. From there, select Share Card or Family Sharing, depending on your iOS version. You'll see a list of your family members if they're already in your group. Choose who you want to share with, and Apple will send them an invitation via iMessage or email. They just need to accept it on their device, and voila, they can start using the card for purchases. A few important tips. All transactions will still show up on your account, so you can monitor everything. This is perfect for parents teaching kids about responsible spending or couples splitting bills. Remember, you can always revoke access or adjust settings anytime by going back to the same menu in the Wallet app. Sharing your Apple Card not only makes life easier but also helps you earn rewards faster as a family. If you follow these steps, you'll be set up in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.